welcome back guys with me Muhammad Amdani. I am student at STEMIC IKMI Cirebon from Information Technology S3, and now I will make a tutorial how to install Microsoft Office application. Before making the application, the first you must need minimum system requirement in your device. That is the first processor of at least 1 GHz or more. The next 2 GB or more memory. You can work with 1 GB but not optimal. The next, the hard disk 3.0 GB or more. And then screen resolution 1024 x 768. The next grab features DirectX 15, and the last operation system Windows 7 32-bit. So I want invite to you how to install Microsoft Office. Office. In Microsoft Office, there are many various applications, but applications that are very well known, there are three. This is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. The first, Microsoft Word in Office application are usually used to process Word examples to files that can be made by Microsoft Word, namely letters, reports, papers, articles, tables, and another. And then Microsoft Excel application is an application that function to process numbers or that. The last, Microsoft PowerPoint, which serves to make presentation slides, where the presentation slides can be displayed through input tools. Maybe that's all I can give you about how to install Microsoft Office on device. May be useful for everyone, and I'm so sorry for errors, and thank you very much. Bye bye.